Viewers, welcome. So after few suggestions from the doctors willing to join our course, we are acting upon their suggestions, and now we have decided that we will be regularly posting the details on our upcoming courses so that many members can be made aware about it. So thus doctors, we are very happy to announce this year's third batch on our general dentistry course starting from 3rd July 2023. Doctors, the details of the topic covered in our general dentistry course will be in the end section of this video. Believe me doctors, the topics mentioned in the list are only just the tip of the iceberg visible from outside. When you join the course, we are not only going to make you experts in the topic mentioned in the list, but also we will make you an expert in clinic management, in how to smartly and swiftly talk to a patient, smart in conversation with your patients, how effectively design a treatment plan, boost up your confidence for any type of dental treatment, and also increase your earnings in your daily practice. Doctors, most of our participants are the new clinic owners or who have just begun their dental clinics in recent years. Because once you set up your own clinic, at that point of time, even you will realize that just the knowledge acquired from your observationships of job is not enough for daily dental practice, and there are many things more than to dentistry than just the knowledge that you acquired from your jobs or observationships. And this is here when our part comes into play, and here is when we can help you out and make you smarter and more successful. And such new dental practitioners who join our course, they have given us feedbacks like after joining our course, once they start applying those tips and tricks in their private dental practice, it really boosts up their confidence, and also within few period of time they have observed increase in their earnings also. Thus we now always conclude in saying that our course comes with an guaranteed 100% satisfaction and also increase in your earnings. Next thing doctor is our academy is a learning based academy and we are not a time based academy. So many a times people wishing to join our course ask us that what will be the time period for this course. Then our answer to everyone is we are going to conduct classes daily for 1 hour. Okay, and as such there is no time limit to the course when it will end, because everyone has a different rate of learning, everyone has a different concepts, and everyone will have different types of doubt. So you can really not put a time limit on really discussion, and we are more interested in clearing up complete doubts that you have related to topic, and we really want you to understand any of the topic that we discussed thoroughly, and that is why we have not kept any time limit to our course. And the course only ends when every participants are completely satisfied, every doubts are cleared, and then only we would like to or love to conclude our course. And now the reason for us to conduct daily live classes is a human brain can concentrate maximum 25 to 45 minutes. Generally it is 45 minutes for female, and for males it is only 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so following that principle, I like to discuss any topic daily 1 hour daily with a fresh mind. When we start our discussion, the things are really understood by our participant, and as I have told you that I am more interested in clearing up the full concept to you and explaining everything out to you, and that is why we follow such principles of no time limit in our academy and daily learning things up to 1 hour only. Thirdly doctors, now we have upgraded to many new features for our academy, and one of such feature is recording of daily live classes throughout the course. Some of the benefits of these features are: number one, participants now get a facility of revising the point again at their convenience in future or during the time period of the course. Number second benefit is, due to any reason, if a participant is absent for 1 or 2 classes, they always have the recordings to revise the topic again, so they don't lose anything in the academy or during the course. And the best or the most important benefit of this is, now for many of the dentists who were not convenient in joining our live classes daily in the morning, with the recordings of the classes available, now they have freedom of learning and joining the classes at their own convenient time throughout the day, either from their home or from their dental clinic whenever they are free. Addition to that, doctors, we have more than full high definition, hundreds of videos for each and every topic that we discussed. And by such educational videos and informative videos, it helps us to make you understand the points and theories more clearly. And also, every participant will get uninterrupted and clear view on each and every steps and tips and tricks related to the practical applications of every dental treatment. Doctors, also we have the most advanced and interactive app for our courses. So any participants during the classes can immediately just raise their hand and ask the question by turning on their mic like you do in your normal classes. So actually you will be learning things online daily, but the experience will be completely like one-on-one learning, or like you learn in your school classes. So many a times people have a doubt that will it be convenient for us or will it be really informative for us. Believe me, doctors, we are conducting such online classes since more than 7 to 8 years, and we have developed a mastery in them. And once you are part of the classes, you will never feel that there is any restriction or limitation in this way of learning things out. Addition to that, you get benefit that while you are joining the course, you only have to attend the class daily 1 hour, and during throughout the remaining part of the day you can continue your clinic, you can continue your jobs, and you can get added benefit of it. So in a way you can learn things during our classes and you can practically apply them or practice them in your jobs or at your clinic on your models, etc. And you can clearly start the practical application of the treatments that we teach you during the course only. And you can also have first hand doubts, or whenever you perform any treatment, definitely you are going to have your own doubts and you can get them cleared during the courses only. But doctors, if that is not possible, don't worry about it. The biggest benefit of our academy that all our past participants take benefit and really appreciate is we offer lifetime support and guidance to all our participants. So doctors, the help is just one message away from you. Believe me, doctors, this really matters. Many a times the topic seems to be very much clear to us when we are in the class or we have just attended the course. But when you really apply those knowledge practically, then while performing them practically, you realize many practical issues or doubts, or sometimes you might even miss some points. So here is where we shine, and you can anytime message us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in planning your treatment, in taking precautions on what to do, what not to do. And this is what is the greatest USP you get with joining our courses. So you really get complete guidance when you are joining the course. We are not time-based academy, so we will spend enough time until and unless points and everything is cleared up to you and you agree to it that yes, now the things are clear to me. And even after making points clear to you, when you apply them practically in your clinic at that point of time also, no matter after how many years you are doing them up, we will be very happy to help you at that point of time. And we really believe in teaching people up and bringing their lifestyle up, and that is why we can promise you that our course comes with 100% satisfaction ratio, and we can guarantee an increase in your earnings also. And now lastly, doctors, we are very happy to introduce for the very first time no cost EMI to join our courses. Doctors, believe me, I really understand all the financial issues that we and generally all the new dentists face, and I've also gone through such phases. So believe me, I really get where you are coming from, and that is why we are working daily in making education related to dentistry as easy, as better, and as economical for you all as possible. And as an initiative of that, we are just introducing our general dentistry course at a price range of 3,000 rupees per month. So the total cost of the course, 36,000, gets divided into 12 EMIs of 3,000 rupees each. And with an effective cost of 3,000 rupees per month, we believe it can be really affordable to any new doctor who are currently in a job or who have just started their dental practice, or for any new intern just passed out from a college. In addition to that, for all the doctors who believe in one-to-one interaction and who want my total attention throughout the course, or due to any other personal preferences of time and language can select our one-on-one course, where only we discuss the full course with one participant only. And for this session also, the participant will have an effective price of 5,000 rupees per month, and effective cost for 12 EMIs will be 60,000 rupees. This is particularly chosen by many doctors who have language barriers, or who are shy in attending in groups, or who want the course at their own personal pace and also at their convenient timings. Doctors, there is only one condition to get benefit of this no cost EMI, and that is participants should have a credit card. You can have any banks and any type of credit card, but payment has to be made with a credit card in order to valid this facility of no cost EMI. One of the most common questions that we get is, what about the hands-on, or how to do practical application? So consider, doctor, that you have come to my clinic to learn, and I will show a crown cutting by myself as a demo, and then you will perform your crown cutting in the model and you will show it to me. So similar things can be done online also. I am going to show you crown cutting demo through a video, and you will get a close-up look at a crown cutting. Sometimes when you attend classes, if there are 5 to 10 members, then only few members can, who are sitting in front, will be able to see it clearly. Remaining members cannot see it. But when you are at a online course, the complete visuality is presented to you through the screen. Second thing is, you can perform the crown cutting yourself at your own clinic. Then you can click the pictures and send them to me, and I am going to give you feedback like I was going to give you when you were on one-on-one, or when you were present physically at my clinic. So it really does not degrade any quality of learning. It is not at all interference, and believe me, as you know that one of our condition is that we are learning based academy. So we are not going to end a topic until and unless you are completely thorough with it. So believe me, doctors, we genuinely want to help you out, and this is our way of improving dentistry one step at a time. Also, doctors, please have a look at the topics of the general dentistry course mentioned now, and feel free to contact us for any type of question that you have related to course. So that's all from me on this topic. See you all in yet another interesting video. Thank you.